In this tutorial, we learn how to create 3D deep text effect in Adobe Illustrator. Type your text. Select all text and write a line. Choose Color Picker and fill the same color background color in the text. Go to Effects, 3D, and select Extrude and Bevel. Now follow the same settings. Now go to Object, Expand Appearance, and expand the text. Now select the top part from the text with Direct Selecting tool. Go to Edit, Cut, and paste in place. Go to Object, Compound Path, and Make. Select Alt, go to Object, Clipping Mask, and Make. And done.